Hello, children. Welcome back to the session of English. Today we'll start with poem number 4, Beauty. What is beauty? In this poem, the poet E. Ye Sher has defined beauty in a different way. There are many poems related to beauty composed by many poets. But let us see here through the eyes of this poet. The poet in this poem tries to say that beauty is in everything. Now, all the things that we see around us in the environment, everything has beauty in it. But in our eyes, we see beauty as a beautiful lady or a beautiful girl or a boy or beauty in face. But every time that is not beauty. Everything has its own importance. All things around us are beautiful and unique in their own way. Look at this beautiful scenery. Isn't it beautiful? The other one with a shadow. Isn't it a beautiful picture? Look at the waterfall. Beauty is not about looks, makeup, or clothes. True beauty comes from being yourself. Abdul Kalam, one of the great personality, said, "I'm not handsome guy, but can give my hand to someone who needs help." So, according to him, beauty is in the heart, not in the face. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So, find beauty from within. Be beautiful by heart, not only by only looks. So, here the poet tries to explain through the poem that beauty can be seen in the growing corns when the farmer works very hard in the field. So, when the farm looks beautiful, then the glory enhances. People who are working and dancing for getting good harvest, beauty is seen there. It's not only seen, it can be heard or felt. How it can be heard? Have you heard the chirping of birds? Have you felt the wind that is blowing very gently? Yes. When the night falls, when the wind blows slowly, the sound of the rainfall. It's rainy season. You might be enjoying rain. So that's the beauty of nature. Or when a singer sings, that is the beauty of the song. So they all give pleasure to the mind. So whatever gives pleasure to the mind is beauty. And that makes us happy. Beauty is not just outside, it is within. Beautiful is the self, so try to find beauty within. Our good deeds, happy thoughts, everything is beautiful. So, our dreams, they are even beautiful. They give us reason to advance and work with zeal. Zeal means great enthusiasm, with great power. So, beauty is your style of work, the way you take rest and sleep. Some may find even beauty in that. So, beauty is everywhere. It is in attitude, the way we look at things. So, beauty is beautiful in its own unique manner. The need is to feel it. So, feel the beauty and enjoy. Enjoy the nature, enjoy everything around you, enjoy the environment. And the greatest pleasure is in the eyes of the beholder. When we see God, we feel beauty in God. So, beauty is everywhere. So, I would conclude by saying that find beauty from within, be beautiful by heart, not only by looks. Hope you have understood the poem. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.